In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your tow hook on this Ford F-150. Let's get started. Looking from underneath the tow hook, you'll see two 15mm bolts. It does have a welded nut up there, so you don't have to hold anything on the back side of it. So use a 15mm socket and remove it. I'm going to grab a ratchet because a power tool will not fit here from the back side. If you turn your steering wheel and get access to this, I mean, you don't even have to turn it. Actually, you can just go underneath the bumper. You can put a 15mm socket on this, loosen it up. As you can see, this is already moving, so that's perfect. And that's it. I'm not going to go any further than that because I don't need to. At this point, I can take this, slide it backwards, down and out. There's your tow hook. Now grab your tow hook, slide it in, and just reverse the process that we did to uninstall. Once you line it up in there, pull it forward. There we go. Slide that forward, and it should allow the front to line up. Make sure you line it up with the bracket and the mounting nut in there. If it slides through all the way and bottoms out without threading into anything, most likely that bracket has spun to one side or the other, and it's allowing the bolt just to go straight through the hole. And now, with this lined up, I'm actually going to snug up the back side and tighten that up completely. This will hold the tow hook in place. All right, and now, because that's tight, we can use a power tool and tighten this one up. The torque for these is 85 foot-pounds. You want to make sure these are tightened properly because this is the recovery point for the vehicle, and you don't want this to fail if it needs to be recovered. That's one. All right, and that's two. And there you have it. Tow hook is installed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.